Visual. Young, poor Japanese teen walking alone in Shinjuku at night. A suited man offers him food and a roof. Voiceover. You were just a broke 16-year-old kid in Tokyo with no family, no future. One rainy night, a man in a black suit offered you everything. Protection, money, brotherhood. You didn't know it then, but you just joined one of the most powerful Yakuza families in Japan. Welcome to the life. This is what happens when you climb every single rank. Level 1, Koban, new recruit. Age 18 visual, you scrubbing. Floors at 4 a.m, delivering envelopes, getting slapped, starting finger tattoo. Voiceover, text, level 1. Koban, the bottom, you wake up at 4 a.m, no gun, no knife, just a mop. You clean the office, run errands, collect small protection money from street vendors. One wrong look and your own brothers beat you bloody. Pay, almost nothing. But you're family now. The Sakazuki ceremony is coming. If you survive. Level 2, Shatei, younger brother. Age 22. Visual, full member after ceremony. Collecting debts, standing guard at illegal gambling dens, small fights. Voiceover text. Level 2, Shatei, younger brother. You've drunk the sake, cut the ties, with your real family. Now you're a full member. You shake down shopkeepers, guard pachinko parlors at 3 a.m, and beat up rival gang kids. People on the street fear you. Your first real tattoo covers your back. Money is better. But one mistake, and they cut off your finger. Level 3, Kyodai, big brother. Age 28, visual, leading small crew, running protection rackets, fancy suits, small bars. Voiceover, text. Level 3, Kyodai, big brother, you've proven yourself. Now you lead 5 to 6 younger guys, you run small. Businesses, bars, construction extortion, card games in empty warehouses. You wear tailored suits, drive Anis car. The locals bow when you walk by, but the police are watching, and rival families want your territory. Level 4, Wakagashira, lieutenant, underboss. Age 35, visual, controlling a whole district. Meetings with politicians, luxury cars, big money handoffs. Voiceover, text. Level 4, Wakagashira, the lieutenant. You're second in command of your branch. You control entire neighborhoods, gambling, drugs, loan sharking, all under you. You meet with politicians and businessmen in private rooms. Millions flow through your hands. But now, the politics start. Betrayal can come from inside your own family. Level 5, Psycho Koman, senior, advisor. Age 45. Visual, sitting in luxury office, advising the boss, international calls, money laundering. Voiceover, text. Level 5, Psycho Komon, senior advisor. You're at the table with the real power. You advise the Kumicho on big moves, overseas investments, corporate takeovers, laundering billions. You fly first class to Hong Kong and Seoul. Your word can start or end wars. But every day you wonder, who wants your seat? Level 6, Kumicho, the Godfather. Age 55 plus. Visual, you at the head of the table, hundreds of men bowing, private jets, but always looking over shoulder. Voiceover, text. Level 6, Kumicho, the boss, the Godfather. You run everything. Thousands of members across Japan and abroad. Politicians call you for favors. Your empire is worth billions. Respect is absolute, but you never sleep easy. Rival, syndicates, police, even your own sons. Everyone wants the throne. One day the police will knock, or a bullet will find you first. Outro visual. Slow motion of you looking out over Tokyo skyline at night, then black screen. Voiceover. You climbed from the streets to the very top, but in the Yakuza, brothers don't retire. They either die in power or disappear. So tell me, which rank would you choose? Comment below. And if you want the full series, Russian Bratva, Colombian Cartel, Italian Mafia, like and subscribe. End screen. Subscribe. Plus, watch next. POV, your every rank in the Russian Bratva.